LangStories.
Winter.
I like to drink hot tea in winter.
Wind.
The wind makes my hair look ugly.
Strong.
The wind is strong today. Please close the door.
Window.
Look out the window to see if it's raining.
Wine.
Adults sometimes drink wine with dinner.
TV.
We watch sport on TV on Saturday mornings.
Warm.
I like to wear a warm coat when it's cold.
Sun.
The sun makes everything warm.
Hand.
Make sure your hands are clean before eating.
Rain.
It's going to rain this weekend. We can't have a picnic then.
Wake up.
I wake up early to eat breakfast before school.
Minute.
Wait a minute, I'll be right back.
Possible.
It's possible to learn new things with practice.
Problem.
If you have a problem, ask for help.
Sad.
I feel sad when I think about my family.
Stop.
The red car stops right in front of the child.
Bus station.
We wait at the bus station for a long time.
Vegetable.
Vegetables are good for your body.
Die.
Flowers need water, or they'll die.
Farm.
We visit a farm to see animals.
Cow.
A cow gives us milk. Hey, young friends! Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a winter day on the farm. It was a cold winter morning on the farm. The wind was blowing strong, making the trees sway and the windows rattle. But inside the house, it was warm and cozy. Mr. Barley woke up early to start his work on the farm. He put on his warm winter coat and hat before going outside. Inside the barn, his wife was waiting for him. They gave food to the cows. This was their everyday routine. After taking care of the cows, Mr. Barley went to check on the vegetable garden. Despite the cold weather, some vegetables were still strong. Mr. Barley got some carrots and potatoes for dinner. As Mr. Barley walked back to the farmhouse, he saw dark clouds in the sky. "Looks like rain is coming," he thought. He walked quickly to finish his work before the rain started. In the house, Mrs. Barley poured a glass of warm milk from the cow's milk. She sat by the TV and watched the movie while drinking the milk. Suddenly, she heard a loud knock on the door. Mrs. Barley opened the door to find her neighbor, Mr. Brown, standing outside. Mr. Brown looked sad and worried. "Mrs. Barley, I need your help," he said. "One of my cows is sick, and I don't know what to do." Mrs. Barley said, "Don't worry, Mr. Brown. I'll come over right away." Together, they went to Mr. Brown's farm to help the sick cow. They found out that the food for the cow was bad. Mr. Brown only needed to buy new food for them. Mr. Brown was very happy. What was the weather like on the farm? The weather was cold and windy. What did Mr. Barley do after taking care of the cows? He went to check on the garden. Why did Mr. Brown visit Mrs. Barley? He wanted to ask for help with a sick cow.